Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix the broken melee attack glitch in Apex Legends. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Set put verified game files integrity. Content launcher platforms game launcher origin Steam. Look at Apex Legends in your game library. Access the game settings or properties. Look for an option to verify game files. Check for corrupted files or a similar phrasing. This process scans your installed game files and replaces any corrupted or missing files with fresh ones from the game servers. This often resolves minor glitches stemming from incomplete or damaged game data, including issues impacting melee attacks. Allow the process to complete fully before restarting the game.
Step: update graphics drivers. Content outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are a common source of game glitches. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, or Intel. Download and install the latest drivers specifically designed for your graphics card model. Ensure you download the correct driver version for your operating system Windows. After installation, restart your computer to fully implement the driver changes. This ensures optimal performance and compatibility, potentially resolving issues impacting the game's melee attack functionality. Step: to check for game updates. Content regularly check for Apex Legends updates through your game launcher. Developers frequently release patches that address bugs and glitches. An outdated game client might contain the broken melee attack issue. The update process typically downloads and installs the latest game version automatically after the update is complete. Restart the game to see if the problem persists. Make sure your internet connection is stable throughout the update process. Step: adjust in-game settings. Content explore the in-game settings menu of Apex Legends. Investigate options related to graphics controls and input. Experiment with settings such as input lag compensation or any options that directly influence controller responsiveness. Try temporarily disabling certain graphical settings that might be causing performance issues that in turn affect your melee attacks. Test your melee attack functionality after each adjustment to see if you can identify a setting causing the glitch.
Step: to reinstall Apex Legends. Content. If all previous steps fail, reinstalling the game is a more drastic measure. This completely removes all existing game files, ensuring a clean installation free of any corrupted data before reinstalling back up any saved game data. If you wish to retain your progress, you'll install Apex Legends through your platform's game launcher, then reinstall the game from the same launcher, ensuring a complete and fresh installation. After the installation, relaunch the game to see if the melee attack glitch is resolved.